Hi, in this video of HTML, we will be looking at HTML quotation and citation elements. The HTML block code for quotations, and it is the block quote element that defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block quote elements. So let's see how it works. First of all, create a project file. Let's call it HTML quotations and sites.html. Okay, let's define a paragraph, and we have here, okay, and you can see here is a quotation from WWF website, and then we have the block quote tag, and we can say WWF has been saving forests and nature for 50 years. Let's save this file and let's run it in the browser. HTML quotations, and you see the browser have indented the text within the block quote tag. Okay, the next HTML quotation tag or element is Q, and Q is used for short quotations. Let's try this in our example. Let's copy this text and comment it for now, and just change this block code to Q. Save the file and let's go to the browser. You see the browser have added explanation marks, double quotes in the beginning and in the end of the string that we added within the Q element. Next is abbreviations, the ABBR tag. The HTML ABBR tag defines an abbreviation or an acronym like HTML, CSS, Mr., Dr., ASAP, ATM. Making abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. The ABBR title: World Health Organization, WHO, was founded in 1948. Let's see this. Let's comment this out, and okay, we add the ABBR title, say World Health Organization. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. We say WHO and was founded in 1948. Save the file, go to the browser. You see the browser have underlined the WHO with small dots because we have used the ABBR tag. Then we have the address element. The HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author, owner of a document or an article. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. The text in the address element usually renders in italic, and browsers will always add a line break before and after the address element. So let's see how it works. Let's comment this out and let's add an address. And we can say 45 Street 45, and we can say Milton Keynes, and we can say SE4018 UK. Save the file, go to the browser. Because you see the browser have made the address in italic. You can also add the break element to keep each address line as a new line. So you see how we have formatted the address. Okay, the next is the cite for work title. The HTML cite tag defines the title of a creative work, for example, a book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a sculpture, etc. A person's name is not the title of a work. The text in the cite element usually renders in italic. So let's see this, and you can copy this text and paste it here, remove the and let's change this to cite and remove this and this and cite. Save the file, go to the browser. You see the WHO that we have enclosed between the cite element tag has become italic because the browser has rendered it as italic. The next element is HTML BDO for bidirectional override. The HTML BDO tag is used to override the current text direction. For example, if you want to write the text from right to left instead of left to right, you use the BDO element. And you can say directory equals RTL, and this text will be written from right to left. Save the file, go to the browser. You see the browser have reversed the text that we gave in the BDO element. So this is an interesting one. Now next up, our topic within this video training is HTML comment tags. HTML comment tags are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. HTML tags can be very helpful, and they can be defined by using the following syntax. Basically, you have to add an exclamation mark, and you see we have already added comments here. So it's the angular bracket starting, and then we have an exclamation mark, then we have double hyphens, and when you are ending the comment tag, you have to add two hyphens and close the angular bracket. So that's how the comments work. You can also add multi-line comments. So you add the starting comment tag, the first line, and add it on the last line. So you can add your comments in multi-line as well. It is very helpful if you want to hide some of your content on the page, or some of your elements like images or buttons immediately. So you just need to comment the HTML code and it will disappear from the web page. So that's all for this video training. See you next in new topic with HTML.